Welcome to KDITech, your go-to podcast for all things IT and technology. Today, we're diving into the essential steps of cloud migration and how it can transform your business operations. First, assess and plan. Thoroughly evaluate your current IT infrastructure, applications, and workloads. This step involves creating a detailed inventory, aligning migration goals with business objectives, identifying risks, and setting a realistic budget and timeline. Next, selecting the right cloud environment is critical. Whether it's a public, private, or hybrid cloud, your choice should be based on business needs, compliance requirements, and workload characteristics. Designing a robust cloud architecture comes next. This includes planning your network topology, implementing strong security measures, defining data management strategies, and ensuring scalability and performance. Then, we move on to the execution phase. Begin with a pilot migration to test the process, then proceed with data and application migration while minimizing downtime. Thorough testing is crucial to ensure everything works seamlessly in the new environment. Finally, after migration, continuous optimization and management are essential. This includes monitoring performance, managing costs, updating security measures, and continuously improving based on performance data and user feedback. As Kevin Derenard, KDIT's CEO, says, cloud migration is a transformative journey for businesses. At KDIT Services, we ensure this journey is smooth, efficient, and aligned with your strategic goals, enabling you to fully leverage the benefits of cloud technology. That's it for today's episode. If you're considering cloud migration, following these steps and partnering with experts like KDIT Services can ensure a seamless transition and help you unlock the full potential of the cloud. Thanks for tuning in to KDITech, and we'll see you next time.